Hello, it's great to be back with our Hands Up for Trad 2019 quiz. For November, we are in Dram. I am Amy Paparanski and this is a special ALBA Scots Trad Music Awards quiz. The teams today are Hecla, who are up for the Up and Coming nomination. And the other team we have Misha McPherson, who is up for Composer of the Year. Pedro Cameron, who is up for Up and Coming also. And we've got Joy Dunlop, who's up for Event of the Year with her ALBA choir. Okay, so the aim today is to answer as many questions as you possibly can on Scottish music and culture. If you answer early and get the answer wrong, then we'll need to take points off you. Okay? Clear? Cool. And the winners will obviously be the team with the most points, funnily enough, okay? So, if you enjoy what we do at Hands Up for Trad and you'd like to support us, you can contribute at www.patreon.com/handsupfortrad. Right, round one is called Quickfire. So remember, quickest hands up. And here is question one. So, where are the ALBA Scots Trad Music Awards being held this year?
Aberdeen.
Aberdeen. Yes, we'll give you that. Aberdeen Music Hall on the 7th of December, and you can buy a ticket at scotstradmusicawards.com. Number two. Which Scots Trad Music Awards nominated singer recently released a chart-topping album entitled Scottish Songbook? Sorry.
Clean Power.
Well done. It was Tiree Polwart. Bonus question. Which Scottish singer wrote the single Hole of the Moon? Anyone know? Joy?
Deacon Blue.
No. Starts with an M. Surname starts with an S. Nah. Okay, no bonus points for anyone. And the answer was Mike Scott of the Waterboys. Number three. Name the piper Tiree musician Jamie MacDonald plays in it.
Kristan Gamuaf.
Yep, well done, and the answer was Kristan Gamuaf. A Munro is the name for a Scottish mountain above which height? Yeah?
3,000 feet.
Well done, Hecla, it is above 3,000
Okay.
feet. Number five, what is the name of Josie Duncan's Glasgow folk club?
Sundown Song Nights.
Well done, Pedro, it is Sundown Song Nights. Number six, which declaration has 700th anniversary in 2020? Joy?
ARBROATH.
Well done, Declaration of ARBROATH. And that is the end of round one. Okay, and at the end of that round, the points stand at Hecla, you have 2 points, and you guys, because you aren't a band, have 4 points. Right, moving on to round two, which is the picture round. So you're going to see a picture on this screen, it'll be a wee bit muffled, and then the quickest person to work it out will get the points. Number one. Yep, Hecla.
Kristan Harvey.
Well done. Yep, it was indeed. Number two. Misha?
Andrea Gobbi.
That was indeed Andrea Gobbi, and congratulations to Andrea, who is up for the Scottish Traditional Music Industry Awards. Number three. Yes, Joy.
Treacherous Orchestra.
Treacherous Orchestra is indeed. And number four. Hecla.
Sheehan.
Yep. Well done.
We know Kate.
And Sheehan will be performing at the Trad Awards in Aberdeen on the 7th of December. Okay, and at the end of round two, the points stand at Hecla, you have 4 points, and Joy, Pedro and Misha, you have 6 points. So this is round three, it's called The Sound of Music. You will hear a clip of music, and could you please tell me the artist and the album that it's from? Hecla?
Jarlath Henderson.
It is Jarlath Henderson. And what's the album? Starts with an R.
Raw.
Raw, well done.
Hey.
Good. And number 2. No, it's not.
Is it Ian and Ingrid?
It is, and it is Ian McFarlane and Ingrid Henderson.
Cockerel and the Creel.
Cockerel and the Creel, well done. Number 3.
My name's Duncan.
Album from the show.
Hecla?
Dick Gaughan.
It is, and do you know what it's from?
He's in a field, I think.
He's in a field.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't know if he was in a field.
He's in a field
Here
on
he
the,
is.
on the cover.
On the cover, yeah.
On the cover. Oh,
Oh,
I hope he's not in a field right now.
no. So, is it Harvest? Something? Harvest Moon? Take the harvest?
I'm gonna give you that.
Time
The
for harvest.
Take. Moving on to the last one of this round, number 4.
Next one.
Took 20 years to build this fleet.
Hecla?
Chris Drever.
It is Chris Drever, and do you know?
What's it called again? Horse? Something horse? No, that's not
No.
what it's called. I can't remember.
Flo. Scapa Flow.
Oh.
Yeah. That was indeed. Well done, Hecla. It was Chris Drever. And Misha, well done. It was his EP Scapa Flow. And you can hear Chris Drever at this year's MG ALBA Awards as well. And we have very close scores now. Moving on for the last round. Hecla, you have 9 points. Joy, Pedro, and Misha, you're at 8. Okay, so the last round is going to be 6 questions. Again, quickest hand up gets to answer, or it goes, if it's wrong, to the other team. Okay? So number 1, name the famous family of pipers who are famous for Peterborough. Joy.
McCrimmon.
Pardon?
McCrimmon.
Yep, well done, the Crimmins. Bonus question, name the brothers and famous pipers of Glenure. Hecla.
The MacDonald brothers.
The MacDonalds, yep, well done, the MacDonald brothers. So number 2, which fiddler won BBC Radio Scotland Young Traditional Musician 2019? Hecla.
Benedict Morris.
Benedict Morris is correct. And the bonus, name the other finalists this year.
All of them.
Anyone want to give it a go? Might as well try.
Yes.
Yep.
Oh, was that this year? Oh man. Cameron Ross.
Cameron Ross.
Rory Matheson.
Rory Maston.
No, that was the one.
Oh no.
last year.
There's more.
Do you guys want to try?
You go. Luke McAnally one.
Yep, Luke McNally was one.
Oh my lord.
Another loon and 2 other coins.
Who had the...
Anybody was.
Oh, Sarah Markey was one, yeah. And 2 more. Singer and a pipe.
Catherine Tenney.
Catherine Tinney
Ross Miller.
and Ross Miller. So we're going to give a point to each team.
Yeah.
That's only fair. Okay, number 3. Who wrote the classic song Canon and Dale? Oh, thanks for saving me there.
But I think McFarlane.
Yes, that is correct. Well done. Number 4. MG ALBA Scots Trad Music Award nominees Pete and Diesel hail from the Western Isles. Oh. Now, would you like to answer? You put your hands up first, but remember a point will be taken off if it's wrong.
Well, Lewis.
Okay.
Starnoway.
No.
Oh.
So that'll be a point added on to Pedro, Joy and Misha.
That's alright.
I'll finish the question. ALBA Scots Trad Music Award nominees Pete and Diesel hail from the Western Isles. Can you name the instruments in the band?
Guitar, accordion, and drums.
Well done, yep. Guitar, accordion and drums. Number 5. Which pipe band won the World Pipe Band Championships in 2019? Inveraray and District. Well done. Number 6. How many band members are in the Canaris Quintet, Nae Plans, Blazing Fiddles and Finlay Napier?
Canaris Quintet are 5. Nae Plans are 2. What's the next one?
Let's go.
Nae Plans,
Napier.
Blazing Fiddles and Finlay Napier.
13.
Remember, put your hand up when you think you've got it.
Yeah.
Quickly.
14.
Well done. It is 14. Fantastic.
Good maths. Good maths. So
Okay.
much maths.
And that is the end of today's quiz. If you would like to come, we would love to see you at the ALBA Awards on the 7th of December at Aberdeen Music Hall. And you can buy tickets at scotstradmusicawards.com. Okay, and the scores today: Hecla 12, Joy, Pedro and Misha, you have 14. Well done. Thanks very much for coming, guys.